Hello guys, today I want to talk about how I actually make my design research so that you can understand with me basically. And my design research is not something difficult, it's something very easy that you can get. So please dive with me. Let's start something. So the first thing I go, if I have a design, I first go to Pinterest. In my Pinterest, yeah. I come for instance, as I'm opening Pinterest, I can say I have a design, let's say you want to design a sport flyer, for instance. I come to sport and I say sports flyer, sports flyer. So as it opens, like these are different inspirations you have. You can see this is a list of the different inspirations. So you can see from here that oh, you love this style of a particular design. You love you love this text, but you don't love the arrangement. You can decide to pick an idea from this house spot. Then you can say no. I if you don't love that, you can say you like this layout. Let's say for instance you like this layout, like this more, but you don't like the font out. Then it's also a decision to make that you don't like this background. Yes, you can select another background here. You can also select another background for your design. The same way. So Pinterest is one of the lucrative places where you can have your design inspiration. We have others. You have others like such as Behance. You can come to Behance. Behance. Behance here is based on minimalistic. That is those of you that want simple. That is, they are not complex, but they are straightforward to the point. Those are the kind of designs you see on Behance. So let's see. Behance is opening. You can see trunk of arts. They are requesting for me to log in, which I'm not ready for that at the moment. That should verify my identity. Oh, the story. Sorry about that. Ah, I'm tired. I came back from work. I haven't done anything. Then, aside that, we have where I also get some other inspirations is graphics family. My graphic family. I come to graphic family. Here I see a list of resources for myself. So under here I can get tons and tons of resources like 3D logo, perhaps. This is for free professional dark decks. There's a calendar like that. I have this is basically resource. You get your resources as free as you can. So please, this is a bonus tip for you. If you are looking for resources, you can now find free resources on Graphic Family. So please, if you love this tutorial, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and I hope to see you at the top. Thank you and God bless you. Ew.